Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to change or how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we can unroll the top bar, so you can simply tap on this arrow or swipe your finger from the top to the bottom. And here, let's tap on the timer. And as you can see, we've got 4 different options of the timer from which we can choose. So we've got 10, 5, 3 seconds delay, and of course the off option, which is currently applied. So in order to set the timer, we have to tap on the option we want to, and as you can see, it changed. The icon changed, which is more after getting back to the camera, we've got it notifies right here that we've got the timer set. So all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works, and of course you can change it accordingly, so 5 and 3 seconds, and turn it off just by tapping on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.